guys, we have already done slime before exploding balloons, but I came up with the idea of now exploding the balloons as if they were bombs. I think it will be a super messy but fun way to do slime, and I'm dying to start. I'm giving away an iPhone 8 Plus in red, and the only thing you need to do to enter is to be a subscriber. All the details will be down below. Okay, so here we have the balloons ready for the slime that we are going to attempt to make. Each one has an ingredient to make slime, and we are going to pop them one by one. The first one that we are going to pop has crunchy bits inside. I cannot wait to see if they are going to fly everywhere or what's going to happen. Oh my god, let's see. Oh my god, that was so cool! It wasn't that bad. Luckily, all the bits are inside the bowl. This is so relaxing. Now let's move on to the next balloon. Here we have the balloon filled with glue. Oh my god, I'm honestly so afraid to pop this. I don't want to have glue all over me. That was so scary. I thought that everything was going to be caught on fire. Luckily, all the glue is inside the bowl and not all over my kitchen. Okay, so now I'm going to squeeze the glue that was left in the balloon, and let's move on to the next one. Oh my god, this is the balloon that scares me the most. There's no way that the paint is going to fly everywhere. I just hope I don't ruin my camera or the studio lights. I'm so afraid. Excuse me? What was that? I have no idea why the balloon did that. I was so ready to see how it was going to explode, but no, I have to make a new one and try again. Here's a new one, and now let's see if it does the same as the last one or what's going to happen with this one. That was so cool. There's paint everywhere, but whatever. I have no idea why the first one didn't explode, but this was so cool to watch. I'm going to squeeze the paint that is remaining inside the balloon, and let's move on to the next one. This balloon is going to be a mess for sure. This is completely filled with glitter, and the thing that I'm most excited about is to see how this is going to explode and how it's going to look on camera. Okay, let's start. Wow, there's glitter everywhere. The best part is that most of the glitter falls inside the bowl, so if everything goes right, we will end up with a super glittery slime. Now it's time to pop the balloon with the activator. For this slime, I decided to use Tide, so let's see how it goes. I filled the balloon with more tide than we needed just in case it flew everywhere, but no, it seemed that almost all of it exploded into the bowl, so I just hope this isn't too much tide or otherwise we will ruin the slime. Okay, so now it's time to mix all of these ingredients together to see if this slime is going to work or not. I just honestly hope it does because I made such a mess to end up with a slime fail. It feels kinda sticky, but I'm going to keep kneading it to see if I can fix it this way. Wow, this is the best slime ever! I think this is the most crunchy slime that I have ever done. And the color though, it's so pretty! I hope you guys can hear how crunchy this slime is. It makes the best poking sounds and a bunch of popping noises. I can honestly play with this slime all day, it's so relaxing. I had so much fun making this slime and I think it's time to make a second slime to see if we are lucky enough to make another one without burning my entire house. For the second slime, I decided to use different ingredients than the past one to have a completely different slime at the end. We are going to start popping the balloon with glue. Here I decided to use white glue, so let's see how it goes. Oh my god, no again, no! I'm not going to make another one, I'm gonna pop this with my hand. Now it's time to pop the balloon with paint. Yep, the paint went all over me and my kitchen, but it looks pretty cool in the bowl though. To change ingredients a little bit, I decided to pop the balloon with water. Let's see if the fire mixed with water works or not. Hey, that wasn't that bad. This slime is going better than I was expecting. Oh my god, I totally forgot that I have a balloon filled with foam beads. If you have used foam beads before, you may already know that these beads are impossible to clean. They go everywhere. Went outside the bowl. I'm so I will try to save as much bits as I can. This was actually my first time ever using this size of beads, and I'm so sad that I completely wasted them. Ooh, now for the activator, I'll be using Borax. I'm so scared. I don't want to ruin this slime. That was so cool! I'm so happy that this didn't went everywhere. Now it's time to pop the balloon filled with shaving foam. And you guys, this was so hard to fill. I'm so excited to pop it. Can't wait to see how it pops. Wow, I'm impressed. Everything is going pretty good. Can't wait to see the final results. Oh no, I completely forgot that I made another balloon filled with glitter. Well, let's make more mess than the one that I already have. Wow, this was so cool! The slow motion though, the glitter looks extra cool. Wait a minute, it's burning! Oh my god!
It's burning! The water!
Oh my god, I almost burned my house down. It was so scary. Oh my god, no, I think that I ruined completely the slime. Now there's too much water. What am I supposed to do in this situation? Wait, no, I think this is working because there was too much glue. Maybe the water wasn't a complete mistake. Okay, I'm going to keep doing this until the slime is ready. This slime totally worked! Look how pretty and cool this slime is! I'm so happy that you can actually see the foam bits after I wasted almost all of them. And because I added too much water, this slime is so jiggly. I love it, you guys. Wow! I'm so happy that both slimes worked and they turned out better than I was expecting. I had so much fun making this video and I really hope you guys like it too. If you have any other ideas or challenges to make slime, let me know that in the comments down below. I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you in my next video. Bye!